turbo, direct injected with a large turbo. It puts out about 390 horsepower with a highest octane form. And like I said, the transmission is very high performance. It's a sequential transmission.
And we've got some fans over here too, which is kind of interesting, and of course a very, very large wing on this car. So a very, very cool concept car. So mid-engine, why go with a mid-engine in a car like this?
Well, as you know, mid-engine gives you the best possible handling. All race cars, all the best race cars are always mid-engine. It basically centers the mass within the wheelbase, and that gives you a low polar moment of inertia, and that's the ideal for racing and balance. You don't have a lot of, it reduces body roll and reduces changes in transition of handling.